this is a training video which looks at OAuth, or Open Authorization, and how OAuth works with HMRC and the Cirrus Stratus Exedra system. The first page is actually showing you a link to Wikipedia about what is OAuth. The way we handle OAuth with Exedra is that each legal entity, partnership, the limited company, has the ability to separately authorize the user to submit data to HMRC, and that's all done on the Manage Authorizations page. Now you will see that this particular page is working with the live server, not the test server, because of the green bit where it says live, and in fact when you are using the live server it says a little green line at the bottom of the page. If it's on the test server, then it says test in blue rather than live. Now we will look at going through the OAuth process for something called Say Hello, Hello World. Hello World is a test system on the live server. That is, it's a way in which you can check that your systems and everything else is working without actually needing necessarily to set up a link for VAT or something else. Now, if we click on the Hello World option here, we then connect to the live HMRC server, and we then say we log in, there we go. So we're now at a login page to do OAuth, and we put the username and password in, log in, and we can see here now what's happening. HMRC know that it's the Cirrus Stratus Exedra software, and it's requesting to say hello. Alright, and then once authority is granted, the two servers are connected, but the important thing is that the password was not given to Cirrus Stratus or any other provider, and this is actually my own account. The password in fact is only given to HMRC, so you're safe that the authority that you're giving is only for the purposes of, in this case, saying hello, but it could be reading VAT or writing VAT. So we will say yes, we would like to grant authority, and now authority has been granted, because it would say something else if it wasn't granted. Now we have actually got a Say Hello test page which can be run. I'll reload it, and then we will say hello to HMRC, and we get a response back pretty quickly saying hello user. So we know that that particular connection works. Now we have a mechanism for reviewing all the authorizations that are live for a particular legal entity. In this instance it's 101, and here we have a list of the authorizations which are being granted on this particular user. The Manage Authorizations page goes into all of these. Not all of these are actually available on the live HMRC server. VAT, for those who are parts of the pilot scheme, is live, LISA is live, and some customs stuff is live as well. Things like estates and trusts are not there as yet, but we at Cirrus Stratus have decided to make sure that we can implement all of the authorities. We also have written something which connects for authorizing read and write VAT and hello all in one go. Although it's possible that you might want somebody who is authorized to read VAT but not write, and vice versa, we thought it was useful to have an option which authorizes all three, so you only do one password cycle. However, that explains how authorization, as we go back to here, the open authorization system works using Cirrus Stratus Exedra or any other system. Obviously other people do things in different ways. They may not have review pages, they may not have ways in which you can test it to see that it's actually working, and they may not have ways of checking the test servers and things like that, but we have all of those.